I'm over the car. But anyways, I'm on the car. Look at this. I'm at Brookshire's right now in Tyler. Oh, and if y'all want to get the Gohan Beast figure, I'll show where the place is in my next video today. I'm gonna make it today. I'm gonna pause this video right here. I'm gonna end it. Then I'll show you where I got the Gohan Beast figure.